Tired of dead phones and constant charging anxiety? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate solution, capable of charging an iPhone over 6 times. This isn't just any portable charger. It's a true game changer for anyone constantly on the go. With its massive 20,000 mAh capacity, you get days of power, perfect for long trips, busy workdays, or emergency backups. What truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, intelligently delivering the fastest possible charge to any device plugged in. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge your phone and tablet simultaneously without compromising speed or efficiency. For travelers, students, or anyone needing reliable power, this Anker power bank is an absolute must-have. Ready to end your battery woes? You can find the best deals and full details via the Amazon link in the description below. Anker's renowned build quality and safety features also provide peace of mind that many other portable chargers simply lack. If you're searching for the best portable charger or a robust power bank, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is an outstanding investment. Don't miss out on this essential tech upgrade for 2025. Grab yours today and stay powered.